Welcome to Winntra PEB and Roofing System PVT Limited. Since its inception in 2014, Winntra has been synonymous with unparalleled quality in the field of landmark pre-engineered buildings. The Winntra brand is respected in the market by virtue of inherent quality, reliability and dependability built into the products and services offered by the company. With an extensive presence across India and her neighboring countries and an annual capacity of 20,000 metric ton, Winntra today stands tall as one of India's most dependable engineering companies when it comes to the pre-engineered steel construction solutions. Advantage of Winntra PEB and Roofing Systems PVT Ltd. 1. The PEB plant in Vegan, Sonipat can be utilized to cater industrial applications in food processing, manufacturing and various other sectors. 2. As urbanization, industrialization and modern state-of-the-art infrastructure development are on paces all over, Winntra PEB being the top PEB companies in India offers feasible alternatives with quality products. 3. The PEB supplier in Vegan, Sonipat, Winntra PEB have a vast knowledge and expertise of the structural, designing and ergonomics aspects of construction. 4. The core structure is constructed from highest grade materials for added strength and durability. 5. Why Winntra PEB and Roofing Systems is different from other A. Use of galvanized flange brace angles instead of painted B. Use of large size downtake pipes having size of 137 x 175 which helps easy flow of water. C. Providing screw-less roofing systems. SS Roofing. D. Complete building solution under one roof. E. In-house design team, which helps timely solution and eliminates chances of error. F. Welding through modern technology. I. EPTW machine. G. Use of prime quality paint for structure and paint will be done through airless gun. H. Use of highly advanced machine which is capable of making Z and C section on same platform. Moreover, in India, Winntra is one of the most popular choices for excellent pre-engineered building manufacturers. After 30 years in business, our customers remain our first priority. Every pre-engineered building that we design, manufacture, and deliver for the erection is created with the satisfaction of the future occupants and owners in mind. Winntra PEB and Roofing Systems PVT Ltd is the oldest and largest PEB company. We have annual production capacity of 15,000 metric tons. Since 1990, we have supplied more than 2,000 plus buildings.